DESTINI Estimator allows users to utilize group overlines to display a range of useful sum totals, based on criteria such as unit of measure, project properties, or simply a manual selection of cost items. The latest additions to this powerful feature are hard key overlines and an intuitive Overline Quantity Editor tool. This video outlines the Overline Quantity Editor and the 4 Overline quantity workflows that are now intuitively managed within it. First, how to access the Overline Quantity Editor. With your estimate open, navigate to the Estimate view. Make sure your Estimate view layout has the quantity column visible and a WBS grouping set. Right-click in the footer below the quantity column and select Show Overline Total. You will now see Pencil Edit buttons in the quantity column overlines. Click the pencil above the group for which you would like to display overlines. This will bring up the Overline Quantity Editor. The Method dropdown offers 3 options for overline types: hard-keyed, sum by unit, and project property. Note that the Contributes to Quantity method is not manually selectable right now. More on that method later. First, we will go over the 3 overline types that are in this dropdown. The hard-keyed overlines method allows you to quickly and easily hard-key an explicit quantity into your estimate. When a hard-keyed quantity is given, subsequent overline totals are automatically calculated and displayed for all 5 cost categories: labor, equipment, material, other, and sub. Click on a method dropdown and select hard-keyed. Enter your desired quantity and select the relevant unit of measure, then click OK. You will now see the overline calculated values in all cost category columns, adjusted for the hard-keyed quantity input by the user. Here's a quick breakdown of the calculations made for each overline. This shows the labor cost category as an example, but the calculations for the other cost categories are the same. Note that you can also view this information in the written instructions below this video. Now we'll look at the sum by unit method. This option lets you easily see the sum totals for cost items of a particular unit of measure. In the Quantity Overline Editor, click on the Method dropdown and select Sum by Unit. Use the Unit dropdown to select the unit of measure for which you would like to see some values. The quantity field will be auto-filled with the applicable sum of the relevant cost items. Click OK to confirm. You will now see that the quantity column displays the sum of all cost items that have the given unit of measure you entered in the Overline Quantity Editor. Meanwhile, the unit cost column displays the total cost divided by the overline sum quantity. The third overline method, project property, uses overlines to display the calculated value of cost items that are divided by a specified numeric project property. In the Overline Quantity Editor window, click the Method dropdown and select Project Property. A new Project Properties dropdown will appear. Click it and select the project property for which you would like to see the calculated value. Select the unit of measure to display. Note that this is for display purposes only and does not perform any unit conversion. Click OK to confirm. You will see that the quantity column overline now displays the value of the given project property, and a unit cost overline displays the total cost divided by the overline project property value. Finally, let's look at the Contributes to Quantity Overline workflow. In the Estimate view, click on the row header to select one or more line items. Right-click on your selection and click Contributes to Quantity. You will see the overlines for that group will now display the sum values for the selected line items. Now, if you bring up the Overline Quantity Editor, you will see that the method field is set to Contributes to Quantity automatically, and a new field called Selected Items is now visible. This field gives users a new and convenient way to see exactly which line items are currently contributing to the overline quantities.